Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at most common abbreviations in English. So let's dive in. Abbreviations in English grammar refers to the process of shortening a word or phrase. The purpose of abbreviation is to make our writings efficient and speeches more quick. Continue to watch the video to discover abbreviation, definition, types, and example sentences in this detailed and comprehensive guide. Master the chapter of abbreviation in English in order to make your writings effective and speeches more catchy. Definition and meaning of abbreviation. What is an abbreviation in English grammar? An abbreviation in English refers to the act of shortening words or phrases or to the short forms of words or phrases. Abbreviations are created by means of removing, shortening, or contracting words and phrases and are used in everyday writings and conversations. The following are the most common types of abbreviations in English grammar, mastering which will help you understand others' writings and speeches easily. Types of abbreviations in English. Based on what part of words or phrases are removed, abbreviations are commonly classed into the following four types. Number 1, initialisms. This process of abbreviation refers to using only the first letter of each word or phrase. This is done in case of organizations, country names, or concepts. Examples of initialisms: A, WHO or WHO, which means World Health Organization. B, ASAP, which means as soon as possible. C, USA, United States of America. Number 2, acronyms. Like initialisms, acronyms refer to the process of shortening words or phrases by using the letters of each word or phrase, ultimately creating a pronounceable word. Example of acronyms: A, NATO or NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. B, NASA or NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. C, fanboys, the coordinating conjunctions for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Number 3, clippings. Clipping refers to the process of shortening words or phrases by means of removing some parts of words or phrases. Clipping is done to make words and phrases short and easy to use. Examples of clippings: A, lappy, which is a laptop. B, lab, which means laboratory. C, gym, which is gymnasium or gymnasium. Number 4, contractions. Contraction refers to the process of shortening words or phrases by means of removing some parts of them and using an apostrophe. Examples of contractions: A. It's, which means it is or it has. B. I'd, which means I had or I would. C. Don't, which means do not. Most common abbreviations in English: AM or AM, ante-meridian. PM, post-meridian. Ad, anno domini. BC, before Christ. NM, never mind. NP, no problem. LUL, laugh out loud. OMG, oh my god. PLS, please. FYI, for your information. BTW, by the way. JK, just kidding. POV, point of view. CTN, can't talk now. AFAIK, as far as I know. ASAP, as soon as possible. RBTL, read between the lines. CYE, check your email. PC, personal computer. ATM, automated teller machine. TMI, too much information. FAQ, frequently asked questions. SMNP, so not my problem. DAE, does anyone else? TAY, thinking about you. IRL, in real life. GTG, got to go. IDK, I don't know. DIY, do it yourself. RIP, rest in peace. ETC, etc. Cause, because. LMK, let me know. GW, good work. YGTI, you get the idea. IMO, in my opinion. PNL, peace and love. OFC, of course. DIKY, do I know you? B or BAE, before anyone else. GL, good luck. GJ, good job. TY, thank you. TTYL, talk to you later. J for F, just for fun. PPL, people. TBC, to be continued. TXT, text. HTH, hope this helps. W8, wait. L8R, later. GRT, great. Hand, have a nice day. ISO, in search of. FBO, Facebook official. GF, girlfriend. Sis, sister. WB, welcome back. NAGI or nagi, not a good idea. MU, miss you. OT, off topic. BF, boyfriend. DM, direct message. Bro, brother. OMW, on my way. HRU, how are you? IM, instant message. I see, I see. IAC, in any case. YOLO, you only live once. YW, you're welcome. YNT, why not? SMH, shaking my head. WYCM, will you call me? Before and by for now. PCM, please call me. MYOB, mind your own business. HMB, hit me back. SFW means safe for work. TTYS, talk to you soon. Summary. Most common abbreviations in English. Abbreviations are commonly used in both writings and speeches. Therefore, it becomes important for learners of English to master the most common abbreviations in English. As abbreviations make words and phrases short and easy to use, learn to use them in your writings and speeches. Facts or frequently asked questions. Most common abbreviations in English. What is an abbreviation? An abbreviation is the process of shortening words or phrases or the list of short forms of words or phrases in English. How to abbreviate words or phrases? There's 4 common ways of abbreviating words or phrases. They are given as under: number 1, clipping. Clipping. Number 2, acronym. Acronym. Number 3, contraction. Contraction. And number 4 is initialism. Initialism. Examples of abbreviations in English. ATM, automated teller machine. DIY, do it yourself. RIP, rest in peace. FAQ or FAQ, frequently asked questions. ETC, etc. Cause, because. LMK, let me know. DAE, does anyone else? SMNP, so not my problem. TAY or tie, thinking about you. YGTI, you get the idea. DAE, does anyone else? SMNP, so not my problem. TAY, thinking about you. YGTI, you get the idea. IMO, in my opinion. PNL, peace and love. OFC, of course. DIKY, do I know you? BE or BAE, before anyone else. GL, good luck. GW, good work. GJ, good job. And TY means thank you. So there you go guys, this video ends here about most common abbreviations in English. Thanks for watching.